Hi guys, welcome to Get Real Life TV. This is where we talk about African culture, traditions and religion. I am a Yoruba man. I represent the rest of my fellow Africans who are lovers and of course who are followers of our African traditional religion. Right now I'm in Oduduwa in Ile-Ife. This is Oduduwa's compound. As you can see, I am right there. So this is Oduduwa's, you can see Oduduwa Atewono. You can see the chain. Just come, let's see. This is Oduduwa Atewono, Nife. So you can see the chain that he used to climb down while he was coming from from heaven. So now there is something I want to show you. We have been saying that Ile-Ife is the beginning of this earth. Ibiti Ile-Ife. And I want to show you something here. We Africans, we should believe that we are the source of humanity. So there's something I want to show you here. In fact, I was told that this image, as you can see, this image is the shape of Africa, and this has been here a long time ago. Since our existence, this has been here. As you can see, the shape of Africa. This is exactly what I want to show you. It's quite very amazing. Let me show you the face of Africa, live and direct in Ile-Ife. This is where Oduduwa entered the ground. This is not the spot. The spot is right there. The spot is right there, but I can't go there. But there's something I want to show you that is very interesting here. You can see the shape of Africa. The shape of Africa on the floor. So this was formed. It's naturally formed, or it was naturally formed here. As you can see, is nature. You can see the shape of Africa. So nobody did this. We don't know who did this, but you can see it is there. So this is a very good sign. This is a very good proof that Ile-Ife is truly the home of humanity. This is where Ibiti Ile-Ife. That's exactly the meaning of Ile-Ife. As you can see, this is a very good proof to show that Ile-Ife is where humanity started, as you can see. And according to science, we know that humanity, or the migration of human existence, started from Africa. As you can see. So it shows that in Yorubaland, what we do in Yorubaland is original. We should be proud of what we have. So I will be interviewing Baba now. Right now. So I'm about to interview Baba so that he will tell us everything that we need to know concerning Oduduwa. So Baba right here is the custodian of this place, and he is the one in charge of this Oduduwa's sports, as you can see. So thank you very much, guys. Watch out for the interview.